Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. Today we are starting the steampunk. At least I'm going to do my best. It's my first one I've ever done, so I'm just going to do a few on video, a few applications on video, and then come back and forth, okay? So here we go. So what I did was I have some folk art black that shifts to gold, and then I added a little extra black in here and a little bit of gold mica, and then I blotted the beehive, I believe that's what that is called, with the color, and we'll go to our next step. Okay, so now I'm back and we are now putting on, what I did was I mixed up some of my modeling paste with some Pantene color. It's a little lighter than I wanted it to be because of the modeling paste, but I'm putting a couple dragonflies on there, and that's that. Hello, I'm back. Next step is this heart that I have taped down, and I'm crossing it over the beehive, and we'll be back in a moment. So now we've got the mixture I made, for this, which is a muted red, and I added a lot of bronze color to it, but it's okay. I like it just the way it is. I think it's cool. I want a little color to it. So now we're at this stage, and we'll be back for the next. Hello everyone, I'm back. I've been working on this for a while, and I've got my keys down there. I used some alcohol ink, patina, and black with the bronze all together, and come up with some neat colored keys and some cogs under there. And now what I'm doing is this little section here with some more of the molding paste, modeling paste, and then I dabbed it with blackish green or blackish patina colors. I'm just waiting for it to dry, and we'll see what it looks like. So we'll be back. Hey everyone, so this is where we're at right now. I took some of the patina after I lifted the stencil and did a little bit more dabbing. So I'm still working on it. It's pretty cool, but it's my first, so it won't be that great, but I'm hoping it looks decent. Anyway, we'll be back. I added some hearts. I don't know, we'll see. I don't like the color. It's too much color, I think. Although it's muted. It's a muted color, and I do like a little color. It's not super steampunk, but I'm still working on it. We'll see how it turns out. I'll be back. So here we go. There is our steampunk. Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. Today what I'm doing is I'm finishing up the last part of the steampunk theme that I've been working on. And I'm going to be putting all the little teeny videos before this one. So this is just the resining one, the completed version. I'm using Stone Coat Art Coat Resin, Part A, and Stone Coat Art Coat Resin Part B. I've already got it mixed up, got my gloves on, and I'm going to start resining. So this is going to be a very short video, however, it's going to be at the end of a few other little ones and some pictures. So here we go. We're just going to pour it on all over. Making sure we're getting every spot. Everything's been Mod Podged more than once, at least twice. So what we're going to do is let's just start what I usually do, which is start rubbing it in all over everything, making sure that all the little crevices and holes are filled for all the keys and the cogs, and that all the hearts and butterflies. And we got to do the edges too. It is my first steampunk style. I hope you like it. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what you think. I enjoy comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell so you can get notified of additional videos that I might be uploading. And we'll see you real soon with the next video. Thank you so much for joining me. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.